Kublai Pibaro, tekane kadai ka jingkeli jong ka MTET 2026, bat kadai jong ka paper 2. Ka series hang ni kadai ka series C. Tingim dai ban sengau thu bakla ba kitu bayo daga way pat ka series kaya pair ka jingkeli, hendrai kadai ka juhi ka shuya pair tangki number. Shubu kum haka child development pedagogy. Kani ka series C ka jingkeli panengkong kadai kani when a teacher conducts an unstructured interview. Shubu ka juhi ka jingkeli haka series E kala bandai daga number 10 kani. Lani haka series B kala bandai haka number 5 kumta. Hendrai barohi kidaihi hiju. Tementang ngan pen I haka ni video ngan pen I yaki answer jong ka social science. Tau kitu giba shim yak optional kum ka social science. Tekadai nado kane ka 61. Ka jingkeli ni, a farmer notices that his land is losing nutrients after years of intensive farming. Which of the following sustainable practices should he implement to restore and preserve soil fertility? Answer kadai ka C, implementing systematic crop rotation. 62. The longest river in India is? Answer ka C, Ganga. 63. To encourage dialogue, debates, discussions, arguments, and questions on social issues is a? Answer kadai ka C, learner-centered approach. 64. Which of the following is not an erosional agent? Not an erosional agent. Answer kadai ka D, temperature. 65. A local news station reports heavy rainfall and thunderstorms are expected in Shillong over the next 48 hours. The above statement refers to which of the following? Answer ni kadai ka C, weather. 66. Which of the following statements regarding the decimal population growth rate 2001 to 2011 in Meghalaya is correct? Answer kadai ka B, Meghalaya recorded the highest decimal growth rate among all the northeastern states. 67. Consider the given statements, assertion A and reason R, and choose the correct answer from the options given below. Kani ka statement ni, assertion A, the Himalayas are considered young-fold mountains. Reason R, they were formed due to the collision of tectonic plates and are still rising. Answer ni kadai ka A, both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 28. Which of the following is a limitation of traditional approach in social science? Answer kadai ka A, emphasis on memorization without fostering critical thinking. 69. A farmer wants to irrigate crops while minimizing water loss due to evaporation and runoff. Which irrigation technique should the farmer adopt? Answer kadai ka C, drip irrigation. Number 70. Which of the following is a non-renewable resource? Non-renewable kadai B, coal. 71. The scale on a map is used to? Answer ka D, represent distance on the map in relation to the actual distance on the ground. 72. Which of the following is not related to sedimentary rock formation? Answer kadai ka D, may occur in the cracks and crevices, faults or joints. 73. The population growth rate is influenced by? Answer ka D, fertility, mortality and migration. 74. Which of the following is a key requirement for a bank to be classified as a scheduled bank? Answer A. Paid up capital and reserve up to 5 lakhs. 75. The full form of IFSC is. Answer kadai ka B. Indian Financial System Code. 76. What distinguishes potential resources from actual resources? Answer B. Potential resources are known but not yet utilized. 77. A consumer buys a defective phone. What is the best course of action? Answer B. Approach a consumer court. 78. Which of the following is an example of private bank? Answer C. IDBI Bank. 79. The Golden Quadrilateral Project aims to connect which 4 major cities? Answer A. Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. 80. Which sector of the economy involves extraction of natural resources? Answer A. Primary sector. 81. Crops that are grown with the onset of monsoon in different parts of the country and harvested in September to October are called. Based on the cropping season in India, choose the correct option for the blank. Answer B. Kharif crops. 82. Which of the following best describes the primary aim of social science for classes 6 to 8? Answer B. Understanding how society functions. 83. A document issued by the account holder that orders a payment of money from the bank account is. Answer B. Check. 84. Which sector is the largest contributor to India's GDP? Answer C. Tertiary. 85. A teacher integrates history, geography, and economics while teaching migration. Which approach is used? Answer kadai ka C. Interdisciplinary. 86. The full form of HPC is. Answer A. Holistic Progress Card. 87. The full form of NEFT is. Answer A. National Electronic Funds Transfer. 88. Which of the following is the fourth pillar of modern democracy? Answer B. Media. 89. Which of the following states is not covered under the 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution? Answer A. Nagaland. 90. Contents in social science subject for classes 6 to 8 are significantly drawn from. Answer B. Political science, geography, history, economics. 91. Match the following. Column 1, column 2. Answer hangni kadai ka D. 1. March Shaka 3. President's rule kadai emergency provisions. Maternity leave kadai kaneka directive number 4. Directive principles of state policy. 3. Compulsory and free education kadai number 1. Fundamental rights. Respect to national flag and national anthem kadai 2. Fundamental duties. 92. The fundamental rights granted under Articles 20 and 21 cannot be suspended during which emergency? Answer kadai ka A. National emergency. 93. Name the political party that spearheaded the Hill State movement in Meghalaya. Answer C. All Party Hill Leaders Conference, APHLC. 94. Which of the following does not constitute the Electoral College for electing the President of India? Answer C. Elected members of the Legislative Council. Question 95. Which of the following is not mentioned in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Answer D. Fundamental duties. 96. Which is the best method to evaluate students' understanding of government schemes for development? Answer A. Quiz method. 97. One of the aims of social science education in the NCF SE 2023 is to develop. Answer A. Capacities for inquiry and investigation. 98. Which of the following approaches in social science lays emphasis on the inclusion of values? Answer Kadai-Kadi, traditional approach. 99. Which of the following is related to intellectual property rights? Answer D. Digital plagiarism. 100. Political science deals with. Answer Kadai B. The socio-political existence of human beings. 101. Social stratification means. Answer D. Division of society into layers based on wealth, power, and status. 102. Which of the following is not a democratic principle? Answer C. Concentration of power in one person. 103. Dash was the movement started by Mahatma Gandhi in 1920. Answer C. Non-cooperation. 104. The study of coins is called. Answer A. Numismatics. 105. The purpose of using digital pedagogy in social science is. Answer D. Integrating technology for enhancing teaching and learning processes. 106. An on-site tour to a museum in social science is classed as. Answer Kadai C. Experiential learning. 107. The most unique feature of the Harappan civilization was the. Answer B. City planning. 108. Digital historical timelines promote in students. Answer C. An understanding of sequence of past events. 109. Which of the following methods helps the students to develop their decision-making skills? Answer A. Problem-solving method. 110. Which statement reflects the importance of social science in teacher education? Answer A. It helps teachers to understand social realities. 111. Which of the following is a formative assessment tool in social science? Answer D. Classroom quiz. 112. The Ibadat Khana built by Akbar at Fatehpur Sikri was initially intended for. Answer C. Debate among scholars. 113. Worksheets in social science can include. Answer C. Multiple types of questions. 114. Oral history mainly depends on. Answer A. Personal memories and spoken accounts. 115. Which of the following is not a print resource? Answer C. Documentary film. 116. The assessment technique, which mainly focuses on evaluating students' skills and performances during an activity, is answer B. Performance-based assessment. 117. Coins discovered during an excavation are classified as answer B. Archaeological source. 118. Which type of map can be used to focus on the information such as distribution of temperature, rainfall, forests, minerals, industries, and so on? Answer C. Thematic map. 109. Which of the following is a cash crop grown in Meghalaya? Answer D. Areca nut. 120. Last question, Jonga Social Science. Consider the statement and statement A and statement B and choose the correct answer from the options given below. Statement A. During the summer months in India, farmers eagerly await winds blowing from the southwest. Statement B. These winds travel over the warm Indian Ocean, picking up moisture that results in heavy rainfall across the subcontinent. Answer kanika option A. Both A and B are true, and B is the correct explanation of A. Next nginpay kanika language 1 Khasi. 121. Kabahikay da ka mind map kayarap yaki kena bakin nang ban kajubab kadai kasi bantho notes. Sispar POR ka SQ3R kamun kajubab hangni kadai ka E jurip keli jingkeli puli benya puli lendet puli biang kini jingkeli keladon haka ka MTET guidebook. Sispar pulai karukom yai habakhi ki jany kumban hab ki ong kajubab kadai ka di yai kanter. Shispa arbusau habatho ya kanu ka shithi ki contain bangi jet ban penun kam ki shong haka kajubab kadai ka di jingya dai para brew. Shispa arbusan ka dash kadai ka jing shampang ya karukom im jong kanu ka jaj ben brew. Kajubab hangne kadai ka si cultural schema. Shispa arpenriu ka schema kadai ka jingtip jing shampang baladon lupa bau kena uyo na kadai ka di jing sham jing yakendo jong u haga jing im baman la kasngi. Shispa arpenyo ya u ne ka brew bastad bat bakrau ka perkhat perdang ki ong kajubab kadai ka bi tiu dok mau lai peu na ar jingmut. Shispa arpeu pra ka jing thmu bakong san jong ki jaj jing tho bangi khot persuasive writing kalong ban kajubab kadai ka bi pengej. Shispa arp kendai kaba pen kre lupa ya kaplan hikai ka ai jing mentoy ya kinong hikai ban kajubab kadai ka e ban penyaj bej ya karukom hikai. Shispa lai peu da ka rubrik unong hikai utheu jingtip ya ka ktien hakisam jubab kadai ka si shashkor kren pule batho. Shispa lai puwei haka top down model unong pule kajubab kadai ka bi pule kenten pa kenten henrei upej ya baro ka wei ka jingtho. Shispa lai peu ar ka KWL know, wish and learn kayarap ya unong hikai bantip la ukna kajubab kadai ka di ulala ban sngew thu shai lut ya ki benta jong ka lenong. Shispa live hulai ka dash ka dei ka rukom tho bakerpang jong nong tho ka ba upen pau ha ga jing tho ni jing ya thu khana jong u ka jubab ka dei ka ka b author's voice Shispa live husau kanu na kini kitiar hikai unong hikai un kham pendon kam haba ubatai ya ka poyom ka jubab ka dei ka b tidur Shispa live husan kadash kadai karukom theo bashubu dak kani batik halor ka jingle jonggi khna rengkat bat ka jingkan tho ka jubab angni kadai ka checklist Shispa live hendriu ka jing hikai ya ka grammar ka long ka bab don kam ban jubab kadai ka bi ban penbet ya ka jing biang ha ka tho ka puli nang ta kane ki jingkeli na do Shispa live nyo do Shispa sau pheu kadai na kane jing tho ka long ka imlang ka salang kadai ka jeli ha ka bangi im ni tre bat ni ya ni yeng baro shilinter ka jing im ka imlang ka salang ha ka bangi hi ni don kadai ka jongi hi ni dei ban kam trai ya ka kumba ka long yala ka jong ka ying ka sem namar kata ki kamram jongi ya ka imlang salang kilong kiba bon pat bakhia ladadon kanu ka basniu ha ka imlang salang kata kan kata yang i baro bat enam don manu ru banlain habadon pat ka jingbha kata la yabha lang baro ha ka imlang salang hasnong hathau hasenda jongi don kilok ki jor ki marjan marpa ki bahaying bat ki kha ki man kadai ka kamram jongi ban ya ya burom iwei ya iwei pat kadai ka kamram jong uwei pa uwei ban perkhat lem ban sngew lem bat ban yarap yabe ya ki marjan marpa hala ki jingdon kam babun jain bar haki por baro ka jingkeli Shispa live nyo ka phang balakren ha ka tei ka jingtho kadai ka jubab kadai ka di ka kamram jongi ha ka imlang salang Shispa live pra ka kentin jeli ha ka tei ka jingtho ka theo ya ka jubab kadai ka si ka imlang salang Shispa live khandai ngidei ban kam trai ya ka imlang salang kum ka jubab hangni kadai ka si ka ying lajong Shispa sau pheu kanu na kini kamdei ka kamram jongi ha ka imlang salang ka jubab kadai ka di ya bisni pihun nang ta Shispa sau phuwei ka lakut ka jingkli bai dei bat kani ka jingtho kani Shispa sau phuwei ban sngew thu tikna ya ka ktien kit ya par don kam bat pen kam ya ka jubab kadai ka bi linguistic schema Shispa sau pheu ar ka skimming kadai ka rukom puli ka bayit ka jubab kadai ka ya kimat bakungsan balakim kapor Shispa sau phulai kanu na kini harum ibom yahap bat ki jinglong ka plan hikai jubab kadai ka si ka jing pen kre balamang ban pendep haka shiklas Shispa sau pheu sau ka wei na kitiar yarap hikai harum ka ba kinong hikai ya ka subject Khasi ki pen kam tikna jubab kadai ka ki kot puli Shispa sau pheu san ka jing ya thu khana basngeu tenat ka pen bernia ya ki khana ka kentin basngeu tenat ha kani ka senten ka yeng kum ka jubab kadai ka si adjective Shispa sau pheu riu ki artli ki sawa wuwel ki bayai lang hajo ki sedang da uwei bat kut da uwei pat latip kerteng kum ki jubab kadai ka bi diphthong Shispa sau punyau sngap kabasngap habasumar ya kabayo sngew ki ong jubab kadai ka sngap kendong Shispa sau peu pra habangi wat ya kapang pedeng jong kapoyom ni pen trekam ya karukom puli bagi khot Jubab kadai ka B, summarizing. Sispa saub kendai ka buit pule banwat ya ka jingmut ka contain hak a dictionary. Jubab kadai ka C, ka scanning. Bat ka jingkli ba khaddo sispa san peu haba penlong jing ya tainya halor kanu ka phang. Ni theo jing tip ya ka subkren daka. Ka jubab kadai ka A, jing theo ka ba ya hap rating skill. Kublai shibun.